let's get started with another video on the technology. So today we will discuss about the web development. So what exactly the web development and what are its stages, and how the industries are using the web development to develop a website or a software. So basically it's a technology that can be used for the to develop any website and to make the website, to make the softwares. We can use these stages because that's come all under the software development life cycle. So first we will the main mode of this video is to take a look on the web development, what exactly an web development is. So from the Google we have searched about what is web development, so just taking a look over there. So, web development is an work that involved in developing a website for the internet or the intranet, correct? And the web development can range from the developing a single static page of a plain text to a complex web application, electronic businesses, and social network services. So, what exactly an web development is? It's an environment. So, just like an environment in our system that was created. So, it will run those libraries or the function using our programming languages. So, it will run on that intranet, and for if we want to make it now live, so we need to take in a hosting, so it's going to be populated in the internet also. So that was the far away topics, but today let's get focus on the web development itself. So in the web development, if we discuss, if we taking a look on the web development, so basically there is a front end and another is back end. So what exactly a front end is? So front end is the UI of an application. How does it look, feel, or how does we see? So we can call it a front end of a web application. And how does it function? How does it store data in our computer system? How we can see that data? How that functions will work? How what was the notification we will get? That was based upon the backend. And if we'll discuss about the front-end languages, so most commonly or widely programming languages that were used in nowadays is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in backend we can generally use Python and Java. We had PHP. PHP is the widely language that was used in all over the world. Yeah. So that's about a brief of the web development, and let's take a look of the stages now. What are the stages we have? So total we have now 7 stages. So this was also cover the software development life cycle, because most of the things are based on the SDLC. So if we are clear with the SDLC, we can easily get into the any technology. So first one is in information gathering. Yes, the first one is input gathering for the requirements we need to understand, and based on that we need to create a plan, how to design, how to create the UI, UX, user interface, and the user experience. And then we need to populate the content and write and assemble it. And then comes out to be a coding part. So then comes out to be in a coding part. So in coding, we generally take the backend part in that in the programming language that we are using, or the which platform we are using. Suppose it's in a Python. So in Python we have a Django and Flask web development environment, so we can use those packages, libraries, etc. So we can develop and so we can develop those things. Once our web application is ready, so we need to test it, or our testing team will prepare some our testing team will prepare some test cases based upon that, based upon the requirement, or what all the design we have or designed in the early stages when we are connecting with the client. So we need to test our application based on that, and we need to take a review. If we found anything, we need to get back to the coding team, and we need to tell them that and that this needs to be correct, because as per the client, so we need these particular things. And once everything is sorted out, just we need to launch that web application. We need to take in a hosting of it. When everything is done, when the client is satisfied, just we need to take in a hosting and launch it on the internet or on the server, so we can access it from the internet as well. After that we need to do the some maintenance, or just if we need to see the traffic, so how we will see. So we are on a separate topic, so engine optimization for that our product, our application, how much traffic we are getting. So what on keywords we are our website is getting searched, and just like that. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for your time, and so do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next video now. Thank you. Bye.